Welcome back, my dear students. Today, I'm continuing the chapter number 3, explanation. Today I'm going to explain the factors of World War II. Okay. Now, what is the duration of World War II? Do you know? It is 6 years. 1939 से लेकर 1945 तक World War II हुआ था. So now, as you know that Paris peace process had organized a treaty of Versailles, and they compelled Germany to sign, and even they didn't give justice to the nations like Italy and Japan. So those persons were very angry. Okay, so now what happened? There are many factors which were responsible. What are the causes? They are the factors or the causes for World War II. So one is fierce nationalism. फियर्स नेशनलिज्म मतलब नेशनलिज्म जो बहुत डरावना था. आज जैसे कि आपको पता है कि ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलिस में एक ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलिस में द पैरिस पीस प्रोसेस ने कंपेल किया था कि जर्मनी को ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलिस साइन करने के लिए, एंड दे वे नॉट, एंड इट इवन दो दे वे रिस्पॉन्सिबल, उन्होंने फ़ाइन भरा, बट उनको ज़बरदस्ती ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलिस साइन कराया, और दे वे कंपेल to come backward. Okay, so now what happened? जर्मनी को सपोर्ट करने के लिए हिटलर आ गया. हिटलर ने मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट किया, नाजी पार्टी एस्टैब्लिश किया, एंड दे स्टार्टेड एडॉप्टिंग और इम्पेरियलिज्म, और उन्होंने सारे नेशंस को कैप्चर करना स्टार्ट किया. विक्टोरियस हो गए, जर्मनी आगे आ गया. ओके, फिर इटली में बेनिटो मुसोलिनी था, उन्होंने फैसिज्म एस्टैब्लिश किया और मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग दिया अपने वॉलंटियर्स को, और उन्होंने उस तरह से इम्पेरियलिज्म एक्सपांड किया, और फैसिस्ट पार्टी से उन्होंने फियर्स नेशनलिज्म भी लेकर आ गए. उसी तरह से जापान मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया था. दिस ऑल क्रिएटेड फियर्स नेशनलिज्म. जो सिटीजन्स थे वो डर कर रहते थे, दे वर नॉट एबल टू लिव फियरलेसली. ओके, सो दिस वाज वन ऑफ द फैक्टर. देन कम्स टू सेकेंड पॉइंट इज़ ग्रुपिज्म, जिसमें आपको पता है कि सारी कंट्रीज़ ने एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ा करने के लिए या फिर वॉर करने के लिए अपना अपना एक ग्रुप बना दिया कंट्रीज़ का. ओके, जैसे कि फ्रांस ने बेल्जियम, पोलैंड, रोमानिया, शीज़ोस्लोवाकिया के साथ एक ग्रुप बनाया. इटली ने शीज़ोस्लोवाकिया, मतलब शीज़ोस्लोवाकिया 2 जगह पर था, हाफ फ्रांस के साथ था, हाफ इटली के साथ था. फिर यूगोस्लाविया, रोमानिया, हंगरी, ग्रीस, तुर्की, ऑस्ट्रिया, फिर इनका एक ग्रुप बन गया. रशिया ने भी एक एग्रीमेंट साइन किया, जर्मनी, तुर्की, लिथुनिया, ईरान के साथ. इटली ने अपना एक ग्रुप फॉर्म करके एक्सेस ग्रुप बनाया. इंग्लैंड और फ्रांस ने अपना ग्रुप बनाया. इस तरह से पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर जो था वो वॉरली हो गया था, और वो ग्रुपिज़म में कन्वर्ट हो गया था. सारी कंट्रीज़ ग्रुप में आ गई थी, अलाइड नेशंस और एक्सेस नेशंस बन गए थे, एंड दे स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर, एंड दिस आई थिंक द होल एटमॉस्फेयर वाज अंडर fear. Okay, so then round the third is militarism. As you know that militarism started taking place. Every country has adopted imperialism. Even they gave military training to the volunteers, and they started producing arms and ammunitions for war, and that also deadly arms and ammunitions. They were competing in producing the war weapons, and in this way they even फॉर्म द मिलिट्रिज्म. इवन दे कंपेल, जो पर्सनस रशिया और जर्मनी में रहते थे तो उनको कंपलसरी मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग फॉलो करना पड़ता था. एंड दिस वाज वन ऑफ द important point for World War II. It is an important cause for World War II because World War II declare होने के कारण, इसके वजह से World War II declare हो गया, and they were not having any enough money, and they started fighting. The world peace was in danger. And the fourth point was League of Nations का failure. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, League of Nations was not able to establish or to maintain the place. All the members started removing from League of Nations, and they were not taking any advice what League of Nations give, and they were even started not telling the problems to the countries and countries of League of Nations, and thus League of Nations nation was a complete failure during First World War. Now, the continuation of that we will be explaining. It is fifth Treaty of Versailles. Now you know that Treaty of Versailles was considered to be a piece of paper by Germany dictator or the Nazi dictator Adolf Hitler. एडोल्फ हिटलर ने ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलेस को एक पीस ऑफ पेपर बोला और उन्होंने लोगों को ये बोला कि उसे रिजेक्ट करो. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलेस में पेरिस पीस प्रोसेस हुआ था. उसमें ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलेस जर्मनी को रिस्पॉन्सिबल ठहरा गया, उनसे फ़ाइन लिया गया एंड दे वर कंपेल्ड टू साइन द ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सलेस. इवन दे हैड टू पे 6.5 बिलियन पाउंड एज अ वॉर फाइन. ओके, उनके प्रोविंसेस को ले लिया गया. राइन रिवर जो उनका था वो इंटरनेशनल सी रूट की तरह ओपन कर दिया. सो जर्मनी वॉज अंडर अ वेरी very bad condition. At that time what Hitler was saying that this is an humiliating treaty and which was forcibly imposed on Germany. So the German dictator Adolf Hitler called the Treaty of Versailles as a piece of paper and announced to reject it. He told the German people to reject it, considering it as a piece of paper. Now this was an factor for World War II. Then the imperialistic ambition of Adolf Hitler. Now you know that Adolf Hitler laid the foundation of World War II. Adolf Hitler was the main person because of whom the World War II arose. Okay, for now we can say that he had a fierce nationalist and militarist nature. That's why he wished the unity, stability and prosperity of Germany at any cost. The first victim of imperialism was Austria. Along with German army, he entered Austria in 12th March 1938. Now you know that Adolf Hitler was a very stern and aggressive dictator. He was having a fierce nationalist and militarist nature. He wished to establish unity and stability and prosperity among German peoples, okay, at any cost. So the first victim of imperialism was Austria. The first victim was Austria. Along with German army, without any intimation, he entered Austria on 12th March 1938. On the very next day, the Munich Convention, Germany had captured Czechoslovakia on 1st October 1938. After that, it captured the Miamel port of Lithuania on March 1939. Thus, a grand German nation was created by Hitler. In this way, a grand German was created by Hitler, and his imperialistic policy was the main cause of Second World War. Understood? Okay. Now, the last point is German attack on Poland and immediate cause. Because Germany ने जब पोलैंड को अटैक किया, this was an immediate cause. Because इसके बाद बिना रुके, बिना कोई सोचे World War II start हो गया था. Now what was there in this point? The above mentioned causes have made the whole world to sit in the heap of ammunitions. A small spark could blow up the whole world. And this spark was German attack on peaceful Poland, September 1, 1939, early morning. Thus World War II had begun. Britain and France warned Germany to stop the war immediately, but Germany ignored the warning. Hence Britain and France plunged into the war. Consequently, the war spread in the entire world. Now what happened? The above mentioned causes were the that made the whole world sit under the heap of ammunitions. They were sitting under the heap of worldly weapons. Okay, then only a small spark is required for the World War II to erupt, and this was done by Germany. They attacked peaceful Poland when they attacked September 1, 1939 early morning, without any intimation, without any declaration. They attacked Poland, and the World War II had begun. Okay, now even Britain and France, they told Germany to stop the war, but Germany didn't listen to anyone, any country, and thus we can say that Britain and France also plunged into the war. Consequently, the war spread like fire in the whole world. Understood? Now comes to another important point, that is World War II and outline. Now you can see there is a picture of Hiroshima. This is an atom bomb. what America had dropped in two cities of Japan, that is Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, so we will be learning this in this point, in this para. With the commencement of the World War II, the world was again divided into two groups. On one side was a group of Allied nations led by England and France. On the other side was a group of Axis nations comprising Germany, Italy and Japan. Now, after the commencement of World War II, with the commencement of World War II, the world was again divided into two groups. Now, one was the Allied nations, which was led by England and France, and one was the Axis nation, which was led by Italy, Japan and Germany. Okay. Now, Japan attacked American Navy at Pearl Harbor. As a result, America gave up the neutral stand and retaliated. It joined the Allied nations, thus making it stronger. Now what happened? जापान ने विदाउट किसी को बोले बिना दे अटैक्ड अमेरिकन नेवी एट पर्ल हार्बर. उन्होंने पर्ल हार्बर में अमेरिकन नेवी फोर्स को अटैक किया. एज अ रिजल्ट अमेरिका ने अपना न्यूट्रल स्टैंड, वो न्यूट्रल स्टैंड में था लेकिन उसने वो हटाकर उन्होंने क्या ज्वाइन किया? अलाइड नेशंस. बिकॉज अलाइड नेशंस कौन लीड कर रहा था? England and France. Okay, so America joined them and thus it made them stronger. Okay, now when the war was going on in full swing, America dropped atom bombs in two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Now what happened when the war was in full swung, where war अच्छे से चल रहा था, उस टाइम पे अमेरिका ने एटम बॉम्ब्स ड्रॉप किए दो जापानी सिटीज़ में, हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी में. इन ऑर्डर टू स्टॉप जापान फ्रॉम मूविंग एनी फर्दर. उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया? ताकि जापान और आगे बढ़े नहीं. ओके. 1,24,000 Japanese citizens lost their lives and there was absolute destruction. Japan surrendered 11th August 1945 and World War II came to an end. Now what happened? Why they did so? So that Japan should not move further. So many innocent citizens lost their life. 1,24,000 Japanese citizens lost their life. Their properties were destructed. Okay, and so in conclusion for that, Japan surrendered. जापान ने कब सरेंडर किया? 11th August 1945 और इस तरह से वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 का भी एंड हो गया. Now you know that this atom bomb was very destructive. ये एटम बॉम्ब जब गिरा था ना, ऐसा बोला जाता है कि अभी भी हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी में जो बच्चे पैदा होते हैं उनके अंदर कोई ना कोई कमी होती है. आइदर दे आर मेंटली हैंडीकैप्ड और दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक प्रॉपरली, और इवन वहाँ का जो एग्रीकल्चर है, वहाँ का लैंड जो फर्टिलिटी है, वो सब चला गया है. एंड इट वॉज अ ह्यूज डिस्ट्रक्शन विच अमेरिका कॉज्ड टू जापान. And Japan had struggled a lot to cover that. Okay, so this was an outline of World War II. Here I am ending my explanation part. Now see you on next explanation. Okay, next video.